بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. My name is Hani Al-Muallim. I'm an associate professor of internal medicine and rheumatology in Medical College, Al University, Mecca, Saudi Arabia. I'm the vice dean of the medical college. Also, I'm the supervisor of Al-Zadi Chair of Research in Rheumatic Diseases in Al University. I'd like to invite you to attend our Rheumatology Practice Symposium. It will be held in April 26, 2014 in Jeddah, Crown Plaza Hotel. We have developed a wide experience in teaching rheumatological diseases. We have conducted several educational programs for students, for residents, for clinicians in the kingdom and outside the kingdom. We have developed our experiences based on solid grounds. We have published booklets making the physical examination of rheumatology easy for clinicians. You have to know something. Musculoskeletal examination competency skills are poor among clinicians, unfortunately. This is widely reported in the literature from different parts of the world, from North America, from England, from Australia, New Zealand, and from Saudi Arabia as well. Rheumatology, unfortunately, is poorly represented in undergrad and postgraduate curriculum. So, how to solve this problem? Apart from these publications, which was published with the American Association of Medical Colleges, MEDIT portal, we participated with these booklets. We have participated with these booklets in the 12th European Conference for Internal Medicine in Prague in October 2013, and we've trained clinicians, we've trained internists to be good clinicians. We have conducted several workshops for our students in Al University, for our residents in Mecca, Jeddah, Yumbu, Tabuk, Al-Baha, to train them to be good clinicians. We have collected all the important landmarks, classification guidelines, and criteria in rheumatology in one booklet, and we conducted several training workshops for residents going for their final exams in internal medicine in Saudi and Arab board exams. Also, we have published a book about systemic lupus erythematosus. We have published many studies in the literature with international experts reviewing our work. And recently, we were part of the Pan-Arab Conference educational program where we taught clinicians in the conference about the musculoskeletal examination of different body parts. So, collectively, I think we have developed really good experience in delivering rheumatology to our colleagues, clinicians. You should join us in this conference. This conference has many educational interventions that are based on interaction and workshops and cases. The conference is divided into several parts. The first is basics in rheumatology. You'll be taught about history and physical examination in rheumatology. We'll present to you a booklet especially designed for the conference. It is more than 100 pages. Everything that will be said in the lecture, which is an interactive, it's not an ordinary lecture, will be there in the booklet in front of you. We will have a lecture about different autoantibodies in rheumatology, how to interpret them. There is another interactive session about different drugs, pharmacotherapy in rheumatology. The biologics. The biologics has changed dramatically the shape of our practice recently. Following the basics of rheumatology session, there is another session about musculoskeletal examination. You'll be divided into groups, and there will be trainers training you how to examine the small joints of the hand, the shoulders, the knees, the hips, and the back. You will be given a chance to perform these techniques. Then there will be consecutive small lectures about the systemic involvement of rheumatic diseases in different body parts. So you'll be hearing about vasculitis, approach to vasculitis, about the involvement of cardiovascular system in rheumatology, about the renal involvement in rheumatology, the skin dermatological manifestation of rheumatology, the osteoporosis, the hematological manifestations, and all the schematic diagrams are made by the presenters who are the authors of the chapters that you will see in our new book, Skills in Rheumatology. It will be published by Elsevier. It is under processing right now, and you will see it in the market, hopefully, inshallah, within a few months from now. Following this, there will be 4 workshops with experts in rheumatology. Dr. Hanan Al-Usaimi will run a case-based workshop for lupus and pregnancy. Dr. Sami Bahlas will be running also case-based workshop on gout and crystal-induced arthropathies. Then also another workshop is with Dr. Nahid Jannoudi and Dr. Altaf Abdul Khaliq about osteoporosis, how to diagnose osteoporosis, how to manage, and what are the new drugs in osteoporosis. And I'll be honored to run a workshop for you about rheumatoid arthritis. How can we diagnose arthritis early? How can we initiate therapy? What are the different new biologics? What should I know as a medical student or a resident or a practicing clinician? The different biologics in rheumatology, and what are the precautions, the side effects, many things, many issues. Inshallah, we'll be talking about it during the workshop. I think this conference is a great opportunity for you to know much about rheumatology in one day. We put a huge amount of effort to deliver it to you. We do care about quality of our educational interventions, and we do care about you. We deliver the best for you, and we hope that you will learn more than what you expected to learn with us in this conference.